Sairam students, welcome back to the session Activity Map Part 3. So today we are going to learn to locate places on a map. Before that, let's quickly recall what we had learned in the previous class. So in the previous class we had learned elements of a map. Yes, they are title, directions, symbols, colors and scale. So what is a title? A title plays an important role. Why? Because it gives the viewers an idea about the map, the theme of the map or the subject of the map. Directions. You all know that there are, yes, 4 directions. They are north, south, east and west. Suppose if you don't have a compass rose with you, then how will you find out a direction? Yes, we all know that the sun rises in the east. If you know where the east lies, it will be easy for you to find out the other directions. Symbols. Certain standard symbols are used to show features and places on a map. Scale. Yes, a map rarely shows the actual distance between places. So distances are shrunk so that the area being mapped can be fitted on a piece of paper. So to do it accurately, maps are drawn to a scale. So now we will learn to locate places. So children, in the previous class, you have learned union territories, states, right? So how many union territories are there? Yes, there are 8 union territories. So now I'll just read out and then we will learn to locate union territories and their capitals. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The capital is Port Blair. Chandigarh. The capital is Chandigarh. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. The capital is Daman. Delhi. The capital is New Delhi. Jammu and Kashmir. Srinagar during summer and Jammu during winter. Lakshadweep, Kavarati, Puducherry. The capital is Puducherry. Ladakh. The capital is Leh. So now we will learn to locate places. So this is a map. Just look at the map, students. First we will locate Ladakh. Ladakh is the place, so you have to locate the capital, right? So look at the map here. What you have to do, you have to locate the Leh. This is the Leh. Already it is given, so you have to put a dot and then you have to draw an arrow and then you have to write on that arrow Leh. Is it clear, students? This is how you have to locate a place on a map. First you will locate the place, so you will put a dot. It is already there. So what you will do, you will draw an arrow and on that arrow you will write the name. Okay. See here, Jammu and Kashmir will do. This is Srinagar. It is located, so dot is there. You will draw an arrow and you will write. I'm just writing the initial Srinagar. And here the capital is Jammu and you will write J. Is it clear, students, how to locate? Okay. Next is Chandigarh. The capital is Chandigarh. See here, it is already located. You will put a dot here, then you will draw a line, draw an arrow, and then you will write, on that you will write Chandigarh. So I am writing C here. Same way we'll come to Daman. See here, this is Daman. Capital is Daman. We'll put a dot, draw an arrow, and you'll write full DAMN, but now I am writing only D. So Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, the capital is Daman. You'll put a dot, you'll draw an arrow, and then you'll write Daman. Is that clear, students? Once more I'll teach. See here, this is Andaman, Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep is here. The capital is Kavrati. So what you will do? We'll put a dot. Already it is there. We'll put a dot, arrow. Then you will write Kavrati. The same way you have to locate places. You have to put a dot. Locate the place. When you locate it, you will put a dot. Then you will draw an arrow, and then you will write the name on that arrow. The same way you will find out the other places. Is that clear, students? Now we will learn to locate states and their capital. So how many states are there? You have learned in the previous class, isn't it? So how many are there? Yes, 28 states. So they are Andhra Pradesh, the capital is Hyderabad. Arunachal Pradesh, capital Itanagar. Assam, capital Dispur. Bihar, capital Patna. Chhattisgarh, capital Raipur. Goa, capital Panaji. Gujarat, capital Gandhinagar. Haryana, capital Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, capital Shimla. Jharkhand, capital Ranchi. Karnataka, capital Bengaluru. Kerala, capital Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, capital Bhopal. Maharashtra, capital Mumbai. Manipur, capital Impal. Meghalaya, capital Shillong. Mizoram, capital Aizawl. Nagaland, capital Kohima. Odisha, capital Bhubaneswar. Punjab, capital Chandigarh. Rajasthan, capital Jaipur. Sikkim, capital Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, capital is Chennai. Telangana, the capital is Hyderabad. Tripura, the capital is Agartala. Uttar Pradesh, capital Lucknow. Uttarakhand, the capital is Dehradun. West Bengal, the capital is Kolkata. Now we will locate the places. So look at the map. Himachal Pradesh, capital is Shimla. So you have to locate Shimla. You will put a dot. You will draw an arrow and you will write Shimla. S. I'll just write S. You'll write SHIMLA. LA. This is how you will locate places. Is that clear? Now here, Dehradun. Here Uttarakhand, the capital is Dehradun. You will put a dot. You will draw an arrow. Dehradun. I'll just write the starting letter. You will write the full name of that place. Is it clear, students? Now come to this side. Here, this is Rajasthan. The capital is Jaipur. Put a dot. Then write Jaipur. Next here, this is Maharashtra. You will locate here. Then write Mumbai. Is that clear, students? Here, Telangana. See here, this is the capital. You'll put a dot, locate the place, and then you will write Hyderabad. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana have the same capital. Okay. Is that clear, students? This is how you will mark places on a map. Okay. So children, you all have map practice book with you, isn't it? So at the end of this video, I will tell you how many maps you have to complete. This one is a India political map. You also have one more map. We will see it now. Do you remember lesson number 7? The coastal plains and islands I had taught you. Do you remember? Yes? The coastal plains of India are located along the Arabian Sea coast in the west and the Bay of Bengal Sea coast in the east. The western coastal plains are divided into, yes, 3 main parts. What are they? They are the Gujarat coast, the Konkan coast, and the Malabar coast. The eastern coastal plains. The northern part of the eastern coastal plains is called Northern Circus, and the southern part of the eastern coastal plains is called the Coromandel coast. Now we will locate. So this is, first we will locate western coastal plain and then eastern coastal plain. So western coastal plain, see here, you will locate, you will put a dot here and then you will draw an arrow and then western coastal plains. I'll just write the starting letter of the place, but you should write fully. Okay, is that clear? Next is eastern coastal plain. See here, you will put a dot and then you will draw an arrow, eastern coastal plain. Clear? Same way, this is the Gujarat coast. So you will put a dot, then you will draw an arrow, then you will mark the place. The same way you will mark the other places, the Konkan coast and the Malabar coast. Is it clear, students? So students, you have to complete these 2 maps, that is map 1 India political exercise is on page 5. Map 6 India, the coastal plains and islands exercise is on page 15. So complete these two maps and these carries marks. So complete it, and regarding the submission, date will be informed to you later. So children, meet you in the next class. Until then, goodbye. Stay home, stay safe and complete the map work.